There once
Was a ship that put to sea. The name of the ship was the Billy of Tea. The winds blew up her bow, dip down, I'll blow, my Billy boys blow. Ha! Soon may the weatherman come to bring us sugar and tea and rum. One day when the tumbling is done, we'll take our leave and go. She'd not been 2 weeks from shore when down to her a right whale bore. The captain called all hands and swore he'd take that whale in tow. Ha! Soon may the weatherman come to bring us sugar and tea and rum. One day when the tumbling is done, we'll take our leave and go. Da 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 da. Before the boat had hit the water, the whale's keel came up and caught her. All hands was at harpooned and fought her when she dived down low. Ha! Soon may the weatherman come to bring us sugar and tea and rum. One day when the tumbling is done, we'll take our leave and go. The line was cut, no whale was freed. The captain's mind was not of greed, and he belonged to the whaleman's crew. She took that ship in tow. Ha! Soon may the weatherman come to bring us sugar and tea and rum. One day when the tumbling is done, we'll take our leave and go. Da 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 da. For 40 days or even more, the line ran slack then tight once more. All boats were lost, there was only 4, but still that whale did go. Ha! Soon may the weatherman come to bring us sugar and tea and rum. One day when the tumbling is done, we'll take our leave and go. As far as I've heard, the fight's so on, the line's not cut and the wheel's not gone. The whaleman makes his regular call to encourage the captain, crew, and all. Soon may the whaleman come to bring us sugar and tea and rum. One day when the tumbling is done, I'll take our leave and go. Ha! Soon may the weatherman come to bring us sugar and tea and rum. One day when the tumbling is done, we'll take our leave and go.